In this video, we will evaluate the integral of 1 plus x whole cube divided by square root x dx. There are a lot of ways in which we can solve it, but in this video, we will solve it using the expansion property of a plus b whole cube, and then dividing each term by square root x, and then using the identity integral of x raised to the power n dx is equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So let me give you the formula that we'll be using. So first we'll use a plus b whole cube in the numerator here, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, and then we'll use the integral rule for x raised to the power n. So let's get started. The given integral I can be written as 1 cube, which is 1, plus x cube plus 3 times 1 square times x plus 3 times 1 times x squared divided by square root of x, which can be written as x raised to the power half. Now, if we split all the terms, we'll get 1 over square root x dx plus x cubed divided by x raised to the power half dx plus 3 times integral of x divided by x raised to the power half plus 3 times x squared divided by x to the power half dx. Now we will use the properties of exponents. 1 over x to the power a can be written as x to the power minus a. X to the power m divided by x to the power n is x to the power m minus n. By using these two properties, the given integral can be written as x to the power minus half dx plus x to the power 3 minus 1 over 2 dx plus 3 times x to the power 1 minus half plus 3 times x squared minus half. So x to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. First term can be written as it is. Solving the second term, we will get x to the power 5 over 2 dx. The third term can be written as x to the power 1 over 2 dx. And the last term can be written as x to the power 3 over 2 dx. Now, using the formula, integral of x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If we use this formula in all these terms, we will get x to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus x to the power 5 over 2 plus 1 divided by 5 over 2 plus 1 plus 3 times x to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 3 times x to the power 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Simplifying further, you will get 2 times x to the power half plus 2 over 7 times x to the power 5, x to the power 7 over 2 plus 6 times x to the power 3 over 2 plus 6 over 5 x to the power 5 over 2 plus c. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. And to watch more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.